Hello parents, do you know that there are certain foods which will damage your baby's digestive system? So then why to wait? Let's get into the video. Hello parents, this is Vishnu Tejasvi, your child nutrition educator. I do talk about child nutrition for the babies between 6 months to 36 months in this channel. For babies, there are certain feeding practices that can damage their delicate digestive system. So now I'm going to tell you a few points that might cause some issues. First one is overly processed foods. These are high in additives, preservatives, salt and colors that can completely damage your baby's digestive system. Second one, spicy and strong seasoned foods. If you think that after 1+ years and your baby is okay to have the family pot rice, no. So most of us eat the regular spice levels that what we eat, and we try to offer the same food for our baby by adding or by neutralizing more amount of ghee to it, but still the spice levels are the same. So don't offer this. This could also damage your baby's digestive system. Third one, honey below 1 year. Honey can contain Clostridium botulinum spores, which cause infant botulism, a serious illness. Infant botulism can cause muscle weakness and can spoil the digestive system. Large amount of dairy. Yes, you heard it right. So most of the parents try to offer 500 ml to 700 ml or even 1 liter of milk per day. Either it could be formula milk or animal milk. So what happens when you keep on offering this more dairy products for your baby? So baby can get gas, baby can get diarrhea, and their digestive system will become very poor. Raw vegetables and hard food. Parents, those who are offering ABC liquids or detox juices for your baby, this point is for you. So this will be very hard for the digestive system. Always offer the cooked vegetables for your baby. So what happens when you give uncooked or raw vegetables for your baby? That creates bloating during digestion, and that creates lots and lots of gas inside, and baby can't have much solids. And the sixth point is high fiber content foods. Foods like legumes, millets, beans, lentils, these are high in fiber. These are very, very good for health. There is no doubt about it. But offering more frequently per day, 2 times, 3 times almost in all the meals can cause gas, can cause indigestion. Sugary drinks. So even sugary drinks can contain fruit juices also. Fruit juice is nothing but a sugar part of a fruit. Or else when you get store-bought fruit juices or organic or natural fruit juices also may contain high amount of sugars, added sugars, or else preservatives to it, which could damage your baby's digestive system. Eighth point is excessive fruit juices. So babies, those who are suffering with fever, cough and cold, or frequent stomach aches, most of the parents try to offer only fruit juices for their babies in all the meals. What happens when you give excess amount of sugar to your baby in the form of fruit or fruit juice? So then what happens? This leads to diarrhea because of the excessive sugar content in it. Ninth point is artificial sweeteners and added sugars. So when you choose the product which is high in added sugars, that will simply go and damage your baby's gut health. And this leads to a very poor digestive system, and baby may suffer frequent fevers, cough and cold, diarrhea, whatnot. Baby will have some or the other issues. I really hope this video will help you a lot, and see you in the next video.